Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. Welcome to Jakarta. The local time now is 8:30 in the morning and the temperature is approximately 30 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. As advised by local authorities, all mobile phones and other portable electronic devices must remain in flight mode until you are inside the terminal building. Please take care when opening the wing compartments and ensure you have taken all your belongings before leaving the aircraft. It has been a pleasure serving you on this flight, and on behalf of Captain Jonathan and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying with Jetstar.